Hey guys, it's Brianne here. Welcome back. If this is the first time you've watched the video, make sure to subscribe. And if you've watched the video before, make sure to like and leave a comment. Okay guys, sorry for the fan noise over there, but it is so hot in my room and I wanted to do this vid. So today I'm cleaning out this. You guys have been filming a lot of organizational videos today because I'm cleaning my room, and that's just how it happens when you're cleaning a room. You organize hot mess things like this. So I honestly have just been throwing everything in here. It's supposed to be for hair tools and brushes, and it is so awful. Like, look at this. The brushes aren't even in there. Hairspray. Just found that too. First things first, I have a little bit more coffee, you guys, so I'm gonna hopefully get through the day. Okay, so this is actually 2 bins. I don't even remember what this was supposed to be for, but go figure. I'll just put it so you guys can see it. You guys, look at this. I mean, yeah. So if you've been watching any of my videos, you know my first thing I always do is empty everything out. So I'm just actually going to use this to like empty stuff into. You probably can't see. So this doesn't even go here. I know, I'll put all the stuff that actually belongs in there inside that. Okay, this is something I ordered from Cotton On that I ordered 2 of, and I just haven't exchanged it. Okay, so here is the basket. I just realized I never even cut the tag off of this. If you are wondering, it's $12.99, and I got it at Home Goods. I like it because it's like rope, and I like stuff that you don't have to like clean. Not that you don't have to clean it, but this is super easy because you can kind of just pat out all the dust. Because it has this ropey feel to it, it just, I don't know, it looks a lot nicer. I also like that it has handles, so I can just pick it up and move it. So like I said, this is for all of my hair tools and stuff. So I'm gonna start putting that stuff back in. I've seen a lot of videos where people use these like on bathroom counters. I just put this on any hard surface where I'm gonna leave my heating tool. And then there's this thing that I bought from Daiso. I haven't used it. It's supposed to help dry your hair. I don't know if anyone's used this before. I didn't buy it to dry my hair. I actually bought it so I could use it with this curling iron because you have to like wrap your hair around it. I haven't used it yet, but you know. Leave it in there. And then I found this bag. This is my super cute makeup bag. I'm actually just gonna empty all of the stuff that's in it into this. I think this is just lotion that yeah, this is just, no, this is like shampoo. I don't know what this is. And then, you know what? I'm gonna store all these glasses pieces in there. Ooh, this is amazing, guys. Kiehl's lotion. It's amazing. I love it. And I guess I'm gonna leave this little makeup bag in there for now. This is my swim cap. And that cord. And some bow ties for work. You know what? I'm actually gonna put this cotton on bag back in there. I know that's not super organized. And that's it, you guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing all my stuff get organized, but look at how much nicer that looks compared to what it looked like before. Okay guys, thanks again for watching. Make sure you've subscribed, hit like, and left a comment. And also make sure to check out my Instagram where I'm posting more and more stories and getting ideas for what kind of videos you guys want to see. Thanks, bye.